In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off flash notifications on any iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to head over to Settings. After that, just scroll down a bit until you find here Accessibility. After that, scroll down again and tap at Audio and Visual. That's where you need to scroll down to the very bottom, and here you will find LED flash for alerts. As you can see, currently this feature turned on. However, if you would like to turn it off, just tap right here at this toggle. However, you can still keep flash notifications enabled for these particular scenarios, such as when your device is unlocked and also when your device is in silent mode. However, you can also disable both of these options as well. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.